Hey everyone, happy Easter. I'm meteorologist Mackenzie Bart. Hopefully you've enjoyed a beautiful Easter Sunday, whether it was headed off to service, seeing family and friends. Hopefully you have some full bellies, maybe a lot of candy for the kiddos today. And you know, it's been kind of a nice day to be inside, just kind of enjoying the day and the season and maybe some family and friends. A little bit gloomy outside. We did have some fog earlier this morning. At least the daytime has been quiet and even a few breaks of sunshine here and there. I know I saw a little bit on my way into the station, but buckle up. We are in store for a lot of weather the next few days. We've got quite the ride as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Variety of systems heading our way. And we also have the eclipse forecast now on the 8th day. We got a lot going on here, so feel free to ask any questions. I will try to answer them along the way. Hopefully everybody's had a beautiful Easter. All right, things are quiet out there right now. I know the radar is showing some returns across our area. A lot of that is just the cloud coverage moving on in. Maybe you see a raindrop or two as we take you into the next few hours, but still, if you're planning on driving around, seeing family, friends, maybe you had some dinner plans to head to, things look relatively quiet. It's not going to be until we get closer to midnight when we see our first round of rain move on in. All right, here's what we're all dealing with. We're going to have a lot the next few days. We have waves of heavy rain moving in Monday, Tuesday, and even some drizzle lingering on Wednesday. Chance for some severe storms that's possible Tuesday afternoon and evening. All this rain definitely going to lead to some flooding issues, especially the farther south you get in Ohio, closer to I-70, really looking to get a lot of rain as these areas of lows line up, and then that rain changing over into a wintry mix as we get into Wednesday. You heard that right. It seems like winter just not done for us yet. That'll be late Wednesday into early Thursday as some cooler air moves on in. I saw the sad faces on there. I know when we thought we were done with winter, not just yet, but we do have some warmer air in the 8-day too. A little bit of everything for everybody. All right, we're expecting the rain to continue to inch into our area. It'll be here closer to midnight tonight, and that will continue overnight. Could have a few thunderstorms in the forecast as well, although we're not really expecting any severe weather for us tonight. If we do have any thunderstorms, a lot of that is going to be closer to central and southern Ohio, so for our friends down that way. If you are leaving the house early tomorrow morning, 5, 6 o'clock, if you're headed out the door, if the kiddos have school, you are going to need the umbrella. Things are going to be soggy to head out. I know a lot of folks may have off on Monday, so even if you have off, it looks like it's more or less going to be an indoor day. We are going to get a break as we get into the afternoon. I know some folks maybe still visiting family and friends for the holiday, or if you're planning on heading to Dingus Day tomorrow, if you're going, I'd say get there late morning, early afternoon. That'll probably be the best time where you have a little bit of a window, because we're expecting more rain to move in as we get closer to 6 and 7 o'clock Monday night. And this could have a few thunderstorms embedded in it too. We're not really expecting any severe weather until Tuesday. Tuesday, more rain to start off the morning commute. We'll get another little break, but then we're going to watch out for the potential for a few of these strong to possibly severe storms to move in Tuesday evening. Here's a look right around 7 o'clock. And then heading into Wednesday, we'll see some drizzle, and that will linger into a wintry mix. When I said we had a lot going on, I wasn't lying. We do have a lot going on in the weather forecast this week. So here's what it looks like when it comes to our storm chances. Again, this is going to be on Tuesday. Slight risk is going to be right around US 30, I'd say south of US 30. Better chance for severe weather. Most of our region is on that marginal risk, so that's that greenish shade you see. That is the lowest tier of severe weather, but that does mean we could still see a stronger storm or two better chance for severe weather as we get closer to I-70. And then folks closer to the Ohio River, they're under an enhanced risk, so really want to be aware. Something we need to watch out for, though, as we get into Tuesday, as these lows move on in, they could wiggle some, so don't be surprised if this changes since it's several days out. You really want to be tuning in tomorrow and especially on Tuesday as we continue to update this forecast. This is just a nice little look ahead for everybody. Okay, so talking about the rainfall, not only are we going to be dealing with the potential for some storms, but also the potential for a lot of rain. Our yards are already pretty soggy out there thanks to the rain this weekend. Now we're just going to add more on top of it. And folks in central Ohio really looking for a lot of rainfall as we get towards the middle of the week, right around maybe 2-3 inches of rain. That's a lot, and I'd say even areas like Richland County, Stark County, Tuscarawas County, maybe see an inch, close to 2 inches of rainfall as we get towards the middle of the week. So we're really in store for just some very soggy conditions, something to be mindful of. I know we have a couple folks on here. We'll see if we have any questions. Ed asked, any preview for April 8th? Hold on one second, and we will have a little bit of a preview for that. I know we're all looking forward to the eclipse. Mario, happy Easter. Thanks for hopping on. Matt, it does feel like we're really not getting much of a spring. I know Punxsutawney Phil said that spring would come early. Had a couple warm days, but it'd be nice to have some consistency. We are going to have a warm up in the 8-day. I can't promise a consistent warm up for us, but it does look like once we get into the middle of April, things will trend a little bit warmer. Michael, thanks for hopping on. I'm sure you missed Cleveland. I went to oh, cool. Well, we miss you here in Cleveland too. All right, let's give you that preview, at least look ahead as we head into the week. Again, we'll get a break Monday, but we're going to have some rain moving overnight into early Monday, and then we'll get a bit of a break by the afternoon. More rain through the day on Tuesday. Tuesday is definitely looking like our soggier day, potential for a few storms, and then Wednesday, that will shift over into some drizzle. Wednesday night into Thursday, as temperatures cool off and the sun sets, we could see that change over into a wintry mix. Maybe some wet snowflakes, and then look at that, guys, things clear out. We see quiet conditions by the end of the week, and even the weekend, high pressure moving on in, and high pressure means we will have really nice conditions for the weekend and even for the eclipse. It's a little far out, so we definitely need to keep tuning back in and focusing in on that forecast since it's at the very end of our 8-day, more than a week out, but right now models are showing quiet conditions. Not so much for the next few days. You can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're going to be dealing with rain, potential for some storms, and then even a wintry mix Wednesday night into Thursday. And then we'll finally quiet things down by Friday. A little bit cool to end the week, but we're right back in the 50s and going to be near 60 as we get closer to Monday. And it does look like things are staying quiet for right now. We'll continue to keep an eye, very, very close eye on that forecast for you. We will have... Justin asked, will a flood watch be issued? Actually, interesting enough, I saw that a flood watch was issued for parts of central and southern Ohio. So for northeast and really northwest Ohio, we are not under a flood watch right now, but areas closer to I-70 and south of that, they do have a flood watch. I wouldn't be surprised if we add a few counties into that, maybe some of our southern counties that are closer to central Ohio, maybe areas like Wayne County, Richland County, Tuscarawas County, Carroll County. Maybe we see a few of those added as we get into the next few days, but I wouldn't be too surprised. Closer to the lake you are, it looks like we're not going to see that much rain. Yes, Chris, same here, looking to have warmer weather for the eclipse. I'm very thankful that right now that looks quiet. All right, guys, we have NASCAR on right now, so we're going to be on after the race. But if you can't stay up that late, totally get it. You can always find the latest forecast at fox8.com underneath the forecast discussion. We'll continue to update you on the messy next few days and also that eclipse forecast that is coming up ever so fast. So thanks for joining and appreciate that. So again, keep updated on the forecast and you can find that always at fox8.com. Thanks so much. Have a great Easter. Happy Easter, everybody.